వ్యూయర్స్ వెల్కమ్ టు ఇంకా చెప్పు. వి హ్యావ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ హీరోయిన్ అండి, చాలా చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. మన మజ్ను అంటే అక్కినేని అఖిల్తో నటించినటువంటి హీరోయిన్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. హాయ్
హాయ్,
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm fine. Thank you for that warm welcome.
ఎస్ సూపర్, యు ఆర్ లుకింగ్ వెరీ ప్రిటీ.
Thank you. So are you?
Yeah. Okay. So how you got this opportunity? It seems to be like you're not a Telugu girl or a Hindi girl. So where are you from?
I am actually I was born in Gujarat and my family is in Dubai now, but I work in Bombay. So I got a call for a test, like an audition. I gave the audition, and a couple of days after I got a call that if I am free and the shoot is in London. So it was like too sudden, and that's how I got it.
Yes. How it was working with Akhil? You know, he's very most wanted boy in Telugu film industry. Their family is very big.
Yeah, it was. I think it was a very good experience, and like chala bagundi. And I think he was very supportive, and he was very considerate in terms of, because I am a newcomer, and there are times when you take retakes and you're nervous. But if your co-actor is like supportive and encouraging, then it's easier. So it was smooth, and it was smooth because of him.
So do you know Telugu?
కొంచెం
కొంచెం కొంచెం ये तो सबको आता है. Other than that, do you try any other words?
కాదు.
No, కాదు. లేదు. ఎస్. సో మరి షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏదైనా డిఫికల్టీ అనిపించిందా? మీరైతే చాలా షార్ప్ అనిపిస్తున్నారు, చెప్పగానే ఇలా నేర్చుకునేలాగా అనిపిస్తున్నారు.
It was not that difficult. I mean, because most of my lines were in English, and as the shoot was in London, the character is a little more in that way. So, but then I started understanding it. Speaking, of course, I'll take a little more time to pick it up, but understanding, yeah.
So, did you try any other films in other languages like Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi, Bollywood?
I have done short films in Hindi.
Achha.
And, yeah, so there are short films that I have done, ads that I have
So,
done.
you are not new to camera, right?
No, I'm not new to the camera.
Yeah.
But definitely a new experience, because a film is a grand experience, a grandeur than what you do in ads. Ads and short films are like one day, and you know, it's short span of time that you have to do the storytelling. But with film, it is like a big concept. There's like big team, and so yeah.
Okay. Nazia, can you describe about the title, Mr. Majnu? What it goes around the story? What is the story?
Mr. Majnu is a film which is made with a lot of love, I think, and it's a lot of hard work that the whole team has put in. We all have put in. It looks very beautiful. The visuals are very beautiful, and it's a very fresh new concept. So it's going to hit the theaters very soon, and I hope all of you like it.
Okay. If we see the subtitle, it is like boys will be boys, right?
Yeah, boys will be boys.
So
definitely.
it will be around the boys. The story will be around Akhil.
Yeah, it's going
Is
to be.
there any scope for heroines also?
Yeah, of course there is scope for heroines all the time. I think it's just, I mean, the audience has to just catch the glimpse, and so yeah.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ట్రైలర్లో చూసుకుంటే కనుక లైక్ యూకేస్ అఖిల్. సో వాట్ వాజ్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
That experience, it was good. The picture also got viral as a like something, some, I don't know, some caption, but that scene, I think, what should I say about that scene and experience? I mean, one of the experience, one of the day.
అంటే ఎందుకు కిస్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది? ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏంటి?
Part of work. So the scene, I can't talk about the scene, of course.
Okay,
but
you can't reveal, right?
Yeah, I can't reveal it, and but yeah, it's fun. Actually, it's going to be fun.
Okay, tell me about Nidhi Agarwal. So it seems like she's a lead role.
Yeah.
So what is her character and what is your character, and where is the link between you two?
The link is Akhil.
The link is Akhil.
The link is going to be Akhil. But working with her was also a very good experience, because and it also, because we were shooting in London, we were together, and it was like everybody, this was like a crew from South India, and there was only one person from Bombay, so it was like, okay, there is somebody from Bombay. Very good experience, nice, delightful.
Okay. Tell me about the director.
Director Garu. He's He was very. I think I was nervous in the beginning because it's like when they tell you that the shoot is going to be in London and this is Akhil's film. So I was I was pretty nervous about how it's going to turn out and how how will the performance come out, and but it was easier. It became very smoother because the director was so encouraging about it, and he himself is so young, so he understands how to what best can he get and how to get the best in an actor.
Have you met Nagarjuna garu?
Oh, I so want to. It breaks my
You
heart
didn't?
to tell you no, I haven't.
Oh my god, okay.
But I soon will, definitely.
Okay. Have you met Naga Chaitanya and Samantha?
No, I did not, because as I said, my shoot was in London and.
Okay. Your dates were you are busy with shoots in those locations only.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is Hyderabad?
Hyderabad is very nice, and it feels very good to be here in Hyderabad, and I hope I come here more often now.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor in Telugu?
Telugu, I have a lot of favorite actors.
Lots of.
Yeah, I think Mahesh Babu, Pawan Kalyan.
Acha.
Yeah, and Allu Arjun. I mean, I want to work with.
అసలు తెలుగు సినిమాలు చూసారా లేదా అన్న డౌట్ నాకు. ఇంతమంది పేర్లు చెప్పేస్తున్నారు లిస్ట్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ద మూవీస్ రైట్?
Not almost all
Maximum.
the movies, but yeah, I make a point that
Very few.
Very few, but I like watching them in like.
But you know all the stars right? Mahesh Babu, Pawan Kalyan, you are saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you got a chance to work with Mahesh Babu, so
Oh wow!
what's your feeling?
Wow, it's going to be very nice. It's going to be a very nice feeling if I get to work with him. It's going to be like it's happening.
Okay. Have you signed any other films?
I am in talk. I am in talking terms with a lot of projects. We're going to soon zero down on something, and I hope this Pongal is going to be lucky for me.
Okay. So Telugu people, Telugu industry, like, so how is the response from there?
The response is very warm and welcoming. I think Telugu people are really very open and receptive when it comes to new talent. They're encouraging, and it gives me immense lot of joy to see that the response is so good. Like there was just little part of me in the teaser, but yet people made memes of it, and there were things on internet, and it was very good, and I'm hoping that the response is going to be even much better.
ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు చూస్తున్న ప్రేక్షకులు ట్రైలర్ చూసేస్తారు ఆల్రెడీ. సో మీ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ గురించి మీరు అసలు అంటే ప్రేక్షకులు ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసి రావచ్చు? సో మీ పాత్ర పరంగా మీ నుండి ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయవచ్చు? యూ డీన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే. వాట్ కెన్ యువర్ ఆడియన్స్ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ?
I think they should expect. They should expect. I mean, it's a character that is flamboyant. It's attractive. It was a good experience. So definitely, they should expect.
A glamorous heroine with
Yeah, I mean,
very
they should
gorgeous.
expect. Yeah. I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but yes, they should definitely expect something.
But boys will be like, boys will be boys, right?
Boys
so
will be
they
boys.
will be,
They're going to
they are
Google about-
expecting to see a
Yeah.
gorgeous and pretty girl.
Yeah.
So they will be 100% satisfied with your role, I
Yeah,
guess.
they better be expecting that, and they better be satisfied.
Okay. So in the scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself in acting?
What is good is to believe that you're the best. So I will say 10. Definitely, that's the confidence that has to that keeps us going all the way. But yeah, still I would say I have a long way. I do not want to rate myself, and
At least try once. How much you would rate?
I'll let you all rate me now after the movie. You rate me.
Okay, after me I can rate, but you know, right, how you performed and
So that's
what
why I-
applauses you got.
What is good is to believe you're the best. 10 then.
10. We have to give our own self, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So for every girl there will be some clashes with the co-star,
Yeah.
with Nidhi Agarwal.
Yeah.
So did you find any clashes between you two both?
I think this is a very overrated concept that two heroines can't work together and they'll have clashes. I don't think so. I find a very in fact, I have watched her previous films also, and I have myself liked her so much. And I think she's very talented. I love her dance videos also, and I think it's, I don't know, it's strange, but it's so good to see people working so much and doing so good in their life. And yeah, I only wish her good luck. I wish myself and everybody good luck.
Okay, as you said, you are Mahesh Babu fan. Can you say any dialogue of his movies?
I don't remember any dialogues, but I did like this film Bharatane Nenu. So
So can you say Bharatane Nenu?
Bharatane Nenu.
Yes. So ఒక పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ డైలాగ్ కూడా చెప్పండి. సో you'll be like trending.
Gabbar Singh dialogue, any Gabbar Singh dialogue. You give me a dialogue, I'll just say.
నాకు కొంచెం తిక్కుంది కానీ దానికో లెక్కు ఉంది. కెన్ యూ సే?
Nikundi.
నాకు కొంచెం తిక్కుంది
నాకు కొంచెం తిక్కుంది
కానీ దానికో లెక్కుంది.
కానీ తెలుగు లుక్
కానీ దానికో
లెక్కుంది.
లెక్కుంది. yes.
నాకు కొంచెం లెక్కుంది కానీ దానికో లెక్కుంది.
నో నో నో. నాకు యూ సే ఓకే కీప్ లైక్ దిస్. నాకు కొంచెం తిక్కుంది
నాకు కొంచెం తిక్కుంది
కానీ దానికో లెక్కుంది.
కానీ తెలుగు ఎంత.
సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు చూస్తే ఫిదా అయిపోతారు అసలు.
జస్ట్ సైన్ మీ సార్ ప్లీజ్.
Okay, so in further, what type of stories you want to hear? What type of genre you want to work with?
I want to do every kind of genre. I think I want to cover commercial also, but I do also want to act. Like I definitely want to do some content-driven cinema also. So yeah.
So there is a movie is coming with very bold, so is there any bold scenes in this movie?
No, there are not.
No. Okay. So what type of audience can watch this film? It will be like youth oriented or family or kids?
Everybody can watch it, I think, and the family definitely can watch it. It's focusing on the youth because it's a youth-based story, so youth definitely will go gaga over it.
Okay. So you are a very pretty and very natural beauty.
Thank you. You made my day.
Yes, sir. So for every natural beauty there will be lots of proposals. Okay.
Yeah.
So how many proposals you got?
You know this, a lot of people think I get, but I get nothing, yaar. I get no proposals.
Okay. So people will think she is very beautiful. She is already committed. ऐसा सोचते हैं ना?
I don't know, but I'm like, please come and tell me if you like me. If you have a crush on me, you have to tell me. But
Seriously, you don't have any proposals? No.
I swear I do not get it. That's what.
No, we can't believe it.
You have to
Even
believe
our viewers also don't believe it.
No, I don't get it, yeah. And that's why I'm so happy that when I get messages from the fans also, I get very happy and I'm super happy. Even now when you told me that you were pretty and all, I was like, oh shit. Because I don't get that regularly.
Okay. మీరు ఎవరికైనా ప్రపోజ్ చేశారా? Have you proposed anyone?
No, I'm very shy. I've not proposed anyone, but I am very capable of doing it.
Okay. Do you have any crushes? Obviously you'll have, no?
Yeah.
At
crushes,
least you will feel something. Oh wow, he's very nice.
Lot of crushes. Vijay Deverakonda, national crush.
Oh, okay. You also focused on Vijay Deverakonda.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So what you like in him?
I think his rowdy attitude.
Rowdy attitude. Okay. Do you have any rowdy attitudes? Can you flip your shoulders?
This was more of Salman Khan, but
Okay. So if you got a chance again with Vijay Deverakonda and Mahesh Babu, whom do you pick?
I'm going to pick both of them. It's like
Uh-huh.
choosing between
No,
mother
no.
and father. You can't choose one.
No. You have only single day.
Okay.
एक दिन में पूरा शूट हो जाएगा, मगर 2 हीरोज का चांस है, किसको अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा?
फिर मैं कोई तीसरे को लाऊंगी. Like I'm not losing opportunity. I'm not going to say
You
no
don't want to
either.
miss anybody.
No, I don't want to miss them.
So you'll justify with losing both.
Both better, but and then come with third another.
Okay. So can you tell me a dialogue from this your movie, Mr. Majnu?
No, I cannot say the dialogue.
At least dialogue तो बनता है ना?
You should go and watch the film.
No. One dialogue.
No. Yeah, okay. So one dialogue is like, yes.
Opening shot. No.
No, but yeah, that's one dialogue in the film. You asked for a dialogue. That was the dialogue in the film.
Okay. Can you sing a song?
Please don't make me sing a song. I'll lose whoever I have fans following. I'm going to lose. I'm such a bad singer.
Do you know a girl who sings a song, they will be like into fans.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What song?
Trust me, seriously.
No.
You can sing any language you are comfortable with.
No.
No.
It's like, no.
You just do no. It will be like song. Okay. Okay. So like next, what type of films we can expect from you?
You can expect very nice, bright, chirpy films from me. Films that will do well. Hit films from me.
Okay. Did anybody said you look like that heroine, this heroine?
Yeah, I get that.
Comparing.
Sometimes I do get that. Everybody, but it's like everybody's vision is different. Once they start seeing me more often,
Whose
they'll be-
names you will listen? Like
who do you think I look like?
Payal Rajput.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Someone told me I look like Nazriya Nazim,
Yeah.
and
Thoda. ऐसा थी.
and then Hansika also, Hansika Motwani.
Okay. So do you feel happy when they compare with other actors, or you feel?
I think it's very unfair to be compared to other actors because they have worked and they've been into the industry, and I'm such a newcomer. So I think it's unfair.
You
on
can't
their
take
part.
that credit, huh?
Yeah, it's unfair on their part, and more so, I also want my own identity.
Okay. Nazia is very unique.
Yeah, definitely. My name itself is so unique, Nazia Davison.
సో సంక్రాంతి ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటారు మీరు?
I don't fly kites, but I enjoy watching kites fly.
ఓకే.
And
యు నో ముగ్గు?
Mugu, no. What is Mugu?
రంగోలి, కలర్స్,
Oh, yeah.
కలర్స్.
That we do in Diwali.
Yeah. No. In Sankranti also we'll do on the doorway.
Okay.
Like we'll put all the colors and different type of పెద్ద ముగ్గులు.
No, I don't know about
You
that.
only know kites.
I know about the kites and good food.
Good food.
Yeah.
Okay. So finally, what you wanna say? What you wanted to say to your audience?
I want to say that the movie is hitting soon, so please watch the movie, and I hope you guys like the movie, you like me, and my pongal wishes to everybody. Thank you.
Yes, good luck, Nazia. You have to hit the box office in 2019. I would like to see more films from
Yes,
you.
and I want to see you more because I want to come here and get interviewed by you more.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, and my pongal wishes to the viewers.
Yes, so
To all the TV Next Hotshot subscribers and viewers, my heartily pongal wishes and Makar Sankranti wishes to you. Hi, this is Nazia Davison, and please subscribe to TV Next Hotshot. Thank you.
మా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్.